食古不化，食古不化。
It is an idiom used to describe someone is very stubborn and only stick on his old-fashioned of thinking, especially to describe old people. Its direct translation is, eat the old thing and don't transform. For example,
呢間鋪頭嘅老闆食古不化，經營手法守舊，最終爛途執笠嘅命運。呢間鋪頭嘅老闆食古不化，經營手法守舊，最終爛途執笠嘅命運。
In English, it means, the shopkeeper of this shop was very stubborn, keeping the old-fashioned way of doing business. In the end, the shop closed down. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.